Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Natasha binti Hilal and I'm a business studies student from class MBA 1114E. This video is prepared for the subject under the supervision of Madam Adila binti Tariq. Today I will be presenting about rail transportation in Malaysia. For the introduction, rail transportation refers to vehicles running on steel tracks mainly used to carry passengers and heavy cargo over long distance using diesel or electric locomotive. It helps to reduce traffic congestions, pollution and transport costs compared to road transport. Therefore, it is an important mode of transportation for economic activities and daily travel. For the research and analysis, the characteristics of rail transportation is high freight capacity, where it can carry large amounts of cargo and passengers, suitable for heavy and bulk goods and reduce road traffic pressure. Next is cost and energy efficient, where it uses less energy than road transport. It's cheaper and helps to reduce congestion and pollution. The last one is safe and reliable, where it runs on fixed tracks with safety systems, less affected by weather and offers consistent and reliable schedules. For the advantage for rail transportation is cost effective, where it's cheaper, suitable for heavy and bulk goods, and reduce transport and operational costs. For high efficiency and safety, it's lower accident rate than road transport, use fixed tracks with strict safety systems and provide reliable schedules. And the last one is more well organized, where it uses less energy than other transport modes, produce lower emissions, and helps to reduce traffic congestion and pollution. Next is disadvantage. Is limited flexibility, its fixed tracks and schedule, hard to reach remote areas and less convenient than road transport. Longer transit times, it's lower, not suitable for urgent delivery and depends on fixed schedules. Then high capital expenditure is expensive to build and maintain, needs continuous investment and low usage reduce returns. And the last is lack of flexibility and door-to-door service. It cannot deliver directly to destination, need extra transport for handling and increase time and costs. Next is the infrastructure and networks. We can see that major hubs in Malaysia. For the infrastructure, we have KL Central, KTMB Station, Port Klang Freight Terminal, and Butterworth Railway Stations. These facilities support smooth passenger and cargo movement across the country, making rail services more organized and reliable. For the networks, rail networks connect cities, industrial areas, and ports to ensure efficient movement of passengers and goods. This helps improve logistics, reduce traffic congestion, and support economic growth. Then for the policies, rail transportation in Malaysia is governed by Railway Act 1991 and National Transport Policy 2019 until 2030 under Ministry of Transport. It is to ensure safe, efficient, well-regulated operations. These policies also support the development and improvement of the national rail systems. For the main issue in Malaysia's rail transportation is service disruptions and train delays caused by technical problems, infrastructure damage, cable theft and trespassing. These problems affect daily travel and goods delivery, leading to public inconvenience and reduced confidence in the rail system. Next is the stakeholder. The key stakeholder in Malaysia, we have government agency like MOT and state authorities, manage policies, regulations and rail development. Next, transport operators, we have KTMB and Prasarana, where they operate trains, maintain system and provide services. Then passengers or consumers use rail service and influence demand and service quality. For the environmental groups, we have Malaysian Nature Society and WWF Nation, where they promote sustainable and eco-friendly transport. And the last one is community organizations. We have Malaysian Public Transport Users Association, MPA-TUA, and where they represent public interest on accessibility and affordability. For the case study, KTMB supports the Ministry of Transport Malaysia that enforcing the Railway Act 1991 to address cable theft and railway trespassing that caused major train delays and service disruptions. In 2025, this issue resulted in losses of above 4.4 million ringgit and 24,891 minutes of delays. To overcome this, MOT strengthens enforcement while KTMB improves security with CCTV, sensors, drones, and cable protection systems. These efforts help improve safety, reduce disruptions, and ensure reliable rail service. So, in conclusion, rail transportation in Malaysia supports economic growth and improves connectivity between regions. It is efficient, safe, and reliable for passengers and goods. However, it still faces issues like limited flexibility, delays, and high costs. Therefore, strong policies are needed to ensure smooth and safe operations. And for the last one, the recommendation, the government should strengthen rail safety through better security systems like CCTV and fencing, increase enforcement against theft and trespassing, and invest in modern technology and regular maintenance. Cooperation among all stakeholders is also important to ensure a more reliable, safe, and sustainable rail transportation system in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.